I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
We're at the sugar mill. We are here at one of our favorite restaurants, the Sugar Mill. It is a breakfast, lunch, and dinner kind of diner, kind of like similar to what you would say IHOP or Denny's. But this is really good food. We're gonna bring you in here and show you around and
tell you what we think.
Tell you what we think. Get some food. Let's start over here on the breakfast side. I got some specialties, burritos, chorizos and eggs. We'll hear some omelets, Greek omelet, chili verde omelet. It's pretty good. Pancakes, waffles, French toast. Some breakfast dishes. We've got our water. Cool. We got some skillets, some combo skillets. Side orders, breakfasts. Got chili verde. Southwest skillet. What's up? You're dressing. Flip on over to the side. Got some starters. Raw onion rings, mozzarella sticks, some soups, some burgers, Western burger, blue cheese burger. That looks good. Patty melt, some salads, some sandwiches, a steak sandwich, a cream turkey, Philly cheesesteak, Monte Cristo, BLT. Got some dinners down here, like the New York steak. Top sirloin, fried shrimp, fried catfish, some fried chicken. That looks good. We're gonna look over this menu and see what it is we're gonna get. So you figured out what you're gonna get yet?
No, I have not. Everything on here sounds good.
It does sound good. I'm still trying.
Now I'm kind of leaning towards country fried steak.
Ooh,
because that always sounds good.
It always.
Maybe even just regular steak.
Yeah.
Oh, sounds good.
Well, yeah, it sure does. We gotta figure this out.
So here we have our monster platter.
Yeah, we got
just a sampler of all the other appetizers. So.
What do we got? We got some.
We got chicken strips, got the fried shrimp, mozzarella sticks, and
onion rings. Yeah, baby. We got all the different sauces too. Like they really came out. We thought, oh, we're just gonna get a nice little platter of appetizers and. You got a huge old plate of sauces to boot. So we're gonna dig into this and then we'll be right back with you. Yeah. So to start off with, these are really good. You see, we're almost done. We had a little bit of everything, and it was all nice and crispy and really good. We figured out all the different sauces here. Obviously, the white sauce is ranch.
You got like marinara
there,
barbecue, and cocktail sauce.
And so because we got a little bit of shrimp, a little bit of mozzarella sticks and strips and everything. And while we were getting into that, they brought us our
food. You got the country fried steak. You got the Monte Cristo.
Yes, I did. I decided to get a Monte Cristo this time because I haven't had one in a while and I've been kind of craving a Monte Cristo. So, but this all looks really good. It's time to chow. Your first thoughts? Now, what did you get again?
The country fried steak.
Oh, okay. That's always like a good staple to really go with.
So, as I was saying, I was like, I didn't know what to get because everything here sounded so good. I was like, well, country fried steak's good anywhere you get it. So that's just how we
Look at that. As you can see, I got the Monte Cristo and I got jam, and I got syrup and I got butter, and I'm like, well, I'm normally usually get the jam, so I usually take the jam, put it right on top of this turkey. And it's usually really good. But I'm gonna try something a little different. Take a little bit of the syrup, put it on top. Because if you don't know what a Monte Cristo is, it's like a turkey sandwich inside some French toast. So we'll pick this up. See all the sugar on it already. Look at that. Look at that. That's delicious. And I'm getting all the syrup on my fries. Oh, it's nice. Ham, turkey, Swiss, on some French toast.
Sounds like a Thanksgiving sandwich.
Tastes like one too. As you can see, Logan's making pretty good work on his country fried steak. How's the fries?
Fries are good. But it's fries. Isn't it?
Nice and crispy.
Oh yeah.
Nice and crispy, salty.
Yeah, not too salty.
They're pretty good.
Oh yeah.
And you got your little vegetables there.
You got cauliflower, broccoli, and carrots. And it looks like you got some golden carrots.
Because you got the dinner, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
I thought it was just going to be the chicken fried steak. And she was like, oh, it comes with this, that, and the other thing. I was like,
Yeah,
sure.
so I will take this, I will take that, and I'll take the other thing.
Yep.
You can see I'm making some pretty good work on my Monte Cristo. This is like the best of both worlds with savory and sweet. It's like you have the ham and the turkey and the Swiss inside all of this sweet stuff. It's really good. Again, the fries are really good. Nice and crispy. So I'm looking forward to trying to get through this. The only thing about it right now is because I put the syrup on it, it's now a mess in my hands. But it's so good. I'm gonna see if I maybe I'll have to eat the other half of this with my fork.
That's what I was thinking when I saw you were pouring it. I was like, are you sure you want to do that? Maybe that's going to be an absolute mess.
Yeah, well, yeah. So I finally had to break down. I finally had to just start using the knife and the fork with this thing because it's just, as good as it is, it's just, again, when I went to put the syrup on it, I wasn't thinking it was going to get all over my hands. But it is like delicious. What do you recall? You were saying this was what, a Thanksgiving meal and a...
Oh, pretty much. It's like you got turkey, you got the jam, you got...
Yeah, I got the ham. I got, you know, French toast. Yeah, you're right. It's kind of like a
Thanksgiving
meal and
between two pieces of bread.
Yeah.
Or French toast.
This is still really good though. I'm so glad I picked this. And it's just really, really tasty. Again, you get all the sweet and the savor in one sandwich. So, really good. Bird, you're about halfway through your
Country fried steak.
country fried steak.
It's really good.
Yeah, there's that face.
As I said, it's good anywhere you get it.
Yeah.
Sugar Mill's no exception.
Right. We love coming here to the Sugar Mill because it's a great place where we can kind of get, you know, either a really good breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And their menus are pretty simple. It's not like you're getting like, it's like, the menu is pretty simple. It's just basically it. You're not
Also
getting
reasonably priced.
Really reasonably priced, and you get really good food.
Oh yeah.
So Logan finished up his
Chicken fried
steak and
vegetables. Didn't have room to finish the fries.
there's that face.
Yeah. Or since we also had those appetizers, like the chicken, the shrimp.
Kind of split those though. But me over here, I'm still working on my Monte Cristo, but you know what? I'm gonna need a box for this. I'm gonna have to tap out. I cannot finish this. This was delicious. It was so good, but it was much bigger than I thought it would be. I am full.
Yeah, because he said that's a much thicker Monte Cristo than you got in other places.
Yeah, and it's well worth the money. This was delicious, but I have to take this home. I'm full again.
Oh, I am too.
And I didn't even finish my food. I mean,
Yeah, that Monte Cristo was huge.
that was a lot bigger than I usually get it. Oh my God, but it was delicious. I mean, just...
Same with the chicken fried steak.
Oh my gosh, just absolutely. The food here is phenomenal. We've always gotten something different. I've gotten omelets here.
I had the corned beef hash last time.
I think we had pancakes here. We come here like every so often, and it's just the food here is just fantastic, and the service is great.
Great.
It's great. These ladies are fantastic. They are really on top of the game. The Sugar Mill is on North Chester Avenue here in Bakersfield, California. They are open from 7 a.m. to 9 p.m. They are not 24 hours, so if you try to get here after 9,
You're out of luck.
you're out of luck. But this is a great place to get some food. And like I said, you will not be disappointed.
No, you will not.
So Logan, if they want to check us out anywhere else, where they go?
If you want to find the links to all our social medias, you can find us at withkoju.com/@travelbynature. There you can find the links to our podcasts, our TikTok, our Instagram, and all other things Travel by Nature.
If you want to help out the channel, what would they do?
You can hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share to your friends.
Yeah, share it out to your friends. Leave us a comment. Makes us smile. From here at the Sugar Mill in Bakersfield, California, I'm Goose.
I'm Logan.
This is Travel by Nature. Thank you for watching.